Ever buy fabric with big plans? Then your machine skips stitches, jams, or turns a simple hem into a battle. The right sewing machine should make projects easier, faster, and way more fun. In this video, I'm counting down the 7 best sewing machines that let you sew with confidence at home. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Brother X M2701. If you want a friendly machine that helps you actually start sewing instead of staring at the manual for an hour, the Brother X M2701 is a classic beginner win. It is the kind of machine that makes everyday projects feel doable, like hemming pants, mending seams, or turning old clothes into something you will wear again. The built-in stitch variety is great for learning. You can go from basic straight stitches to zigzag, stretch stitches for knits, and even decorative options when you want to add personality to your work. And the automatic buttonhole feature is a small thing that feels huge when you are trying to make a project look polished. The automatic needle threader is the real quality of life upgrade here. It saves your eyes, saves your patience, and keeps you sewing instead of struggling with tiny thread. The top drop-in bobbin is also beginner-friendly because you can load it quickly and keep moving. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Singer 4411. The Singer 4411 is for the person who is tired of machines that panic the moment fabric gets thick. If you sew denim hems, canvas totes, or heavy curtains, this one feels like it has your back. The extra power is not about bragging rights, it is about fewer stalls, fewer skipped stitches, and less frustration when you hit bulky seams. It is also surprisingly versatile. You can handle tough materials, but you can still sew lighter fabrics for clothing and simple crafts, so it works as a daily machine instead of a one-trick tool. Speed is another big benefit. When you want to finish a pile of repairs or knock out a weekend project, faster stitching means you spend more time enjoying the result and less time watching the needle go up and down. The metal frame helps the machine feel stable, especially when you are working with thicker materials that can cause shaking on lighter machines. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Singer 4423. If you want heavy-duty confidence but also want more creative flexibility, the Singer 4423 steps it up. It is built to power through thick seams, but it also gives you a wider range of stitch options for garments, home decor, and personal projects that look custom. Where you will feel the difference is consistency. The stronger motor and sturdy frame help you keep clean lines even when layers build up, like waistband seams, quilt sandwiches, or folded hems. That means fewer "why did it bunch right there" moments. The automatic needle threader is a major day-to-day convenience. It makes starting a project faster, and it reduces that little frustration tax that can make you avoid sewing altogether when you are tired. It is also a great, ready out-of-the-box pick because of the included accessories. Having the right presser feet and tools nearby makes zippers, buttonholes, and finishing details feel less intimidating. Everything being stored in the accessory tray also helps you stay organized. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Brother 9550. If you love having options and want a machine that feels like a creative playground, the Brother 9550 is a standout. It is ideal for the person who wants to do more than repairs, like quilting, decorative stitching, and personalized projects that look truly finished. The huge stitch selection is the headline, but the real benefit is what that variety lets you do. You can choose the right stitch for the fabric and the look you want, from neat utility stitches to decorative borders and heirloom-style details. It is also great for buttonholes with multiple automatic styles that help clothing and crafts look professional. The automatic needle threading system takes a lot of setup pain away. Pair that with the jam-resistant top bobbin, and you spend more time sewing and less time rethreading because something snagged. The liquid crystal display makes it easier to pick stitches and settings without guessing. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Janome Model 19. The Janome Mod 19 is perfect if you want a machine that is easy today, but still has features you will appreciate as you improve. It is simple enough for beginners, yet it includes upgrades that make it feel like a grow-with-you machine rather than something you will outgrow in 6 months. You get the essential stitches you actually use, plus a buttonhole option for clothing and finishing touches. The adjustable stitch length and width dials are straightforward, which makes learning feel less overwhelming. You can see what you are changing, and you can understand why it changes the result. One of the biggest benefits is fabric control. The 5-piece feed dog system helps pull fabric evenly, which means smoother seams and fewer puckers across different materials. That matters whether you are sewing light cotton or thicker layers. The drop feed feature is a big deal if you want to explore free motion quilting, darning, or more creative techniques later. It opens doors without requiring a complicated machine. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Brother 7205. This sewing machine is a fantastic choice for sewists who want convenience, variety, and quilting-friendly features without turning sewing into a complicated hobby. It shines when you want your machine to guide you smoothly through different projects, from basic repairs to quilts and decorative crafts. The Big Stitch library makes it easy to match the stitch to the job. You get utility stitches for everyday sewing, decorative options for fun finishes, heirloom-style stitches for elevated details, and even lettering for simple personalization. That is perfect for gifts, labels, and custom touches that make projects feel special. The automatic needle threader is the kind of feature that keeps you consistent. When setup is quick, you are more likely to sew for 10 minutes here and there, which is how most real-life projects actually get finished. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Feiyue. The Feiyue deserves a spot in this video because it is built to make sewing feel powerful, controlled, and dependable, especially when you are working on heavier projects or sewing for long sessions. It is the kind of machine that makes you feel like you can handle anything you bring to the table. The energy-saving servo motor is not just about efficiency. The real benefit is smooth, consistent power that feels steady at both slow and faster speeds. That control is what helps you stitch neatly on thick seams, corners, and multiple fabric layers without the machine feeling like it is fighting you. A feature people love in real life is the thread jam protection with a blinking alert. Instead of letting a tangle turn into a bigger mess, it stops and tells you something is wrong. That saves time, reduces stress, and helps protect the machine. You also get practical precision tools, needle position control for zippers and edge stitching, plus needle up and down control that makes pivoting around corners feel clean and professional. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best sewing machines that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.